Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As per usual, I'm going to get to it. This is a quick analysis of my two perspective sketches of a street scene. So this is a new topic that I have introduced to basically get more skills, and so I'm not just doing portraits essentially. So if you're new here, you'll see from the previous videos I was heavily trying to gain my skills in basically how to sketch a face, any type of face, any angle, anything like that, as well as bodies. So this is a new topic. I'm utilising the same learning methods as before. Good speed, creating a feedback loop, that's with the information that you want, so that you can then gain more skills and utilise the information to level up basically, and also gain the results that you want to. And this is how I am doing it. I started off a couple of days ago with the scenes, and it is getting easier each one that I look at. Initially I would have kind of maybe drawn the line that way and it just would have looked a bit strange and a bit off, whereas now I'm looking at the lines going like, right, okay, that's at an angle. I am utilising geometric along with a little bit of observation, creating with good speed, creating the feedback loop. This was 2 minutes 10 seconds, this was 1.5 minutes, and this one was 1 minute 40 seconds. I'm mentioning times purely because it's basically how you get, if you follow the good speeds and then you get the feedback, if you stick to a time, you're forced to learn very quickly. And this is what I've found. The more I have practiced this method and reduced the time, because I originally started off at 5 minutes and I've not even reduced the time for this topic, I've just kept it the same time that I had for the faces, which was 3 minutes. Originally it was 5 minutes for that one, now it's 3 minutes, and I've carried that on over to this one to see how I get on, and I'm actually getting on a lot better than what I previously thought I would. And I think that's because of the skills I learned doing the portraits. So let me know what you think. If you want some more information, let me know and I shall get back to you. Thanks guys.